Hi students, let us try to understand the prefix. Okay, we are going to understand the meaning of prefix, dear friend. So if you talk about the prefix, there are two types of prefix. One, they are used before the word root is student. Pre means before, a fix means you are going to add that one. Okay, so primary prefix are there. First one, a primary prefix is used to simply distinguish cyclic from acyclic compound. For example, in case of carbocyclic compound, a prefix cyclo is used immediately before the word root. Thus, that is here is there is that cyclopentane is there. Cyclo is prefix, primary prefix, then word root, primary suffix. So that is cyclopentane. In the prefix cyclo is not used. It simply indicates that compound is acyclic. Okay, so that is what is prefix. Now the secondary prefix. If you talk about secondary prefix, in IPSC system of nomenclature, a certain group are not considered as a functional group, but instead are treated as a substituents. These are called secondary suffix and are added immediately before the word root, or primary suffix in case of the alicyclic compound. In alphabetical order to denote the side chain or substituents group, the secondary prefix for some group, which are always treated as substituent group regardless of the fact whether the organic compound is monofunctional or polyfunctional, are given below. So prefix means that is what is going to be used before the word root. Now these are the group student, they are not the functional group, they are the prefix, like that is chlorine, bromine, iodine, NO2, NO, okay, N double bond O, triple bond N O R. So if this is the fluoro, chloro, bromo, iodo, nitro, nitroso, diazo, alkoxy, these are the prefix. And now this is suppose OCH3 is there, methoxy, OC2H5 ethoxy, CH3 methyl, C2H5 ethyl, N-propyl, isopropyl, tertiary butyl. These are the prefix student. Okay, beside these, other functional group are also treated as substituent group in case of polyfunctional compound, discussed later in this unit. Thus, the complete IPSC name of organic compound consists of following part. Okay, secondary prefix, primary prefix, word root, primary suffix, and secondary suffix. So first of all, you have to use the secondary prefix, then primary prefix, word root, primary suffix, and secondary suffix. The following example illustrate the use of the word root, primary and secondary prefix and suffix in the naming of organic compounds. So CH3, CH2Br, bromoethane, so bromoethane, nitromethane, okay, ethoxyethane. So these are the word root. In case of alicyclic, primary prefix are used. So that is it is these are their student. Okay. So here what are their student? 4 bromo. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4 bromo. Cyclohexene. So 4 bromo, cyclohexane, 1 all. So these are the complete name of the compound. So these are all about the student prefix. This is very easy. You will be able to understand in the class. Thank you so much for watching, friend. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe the channel, and don't forget to comment, friend.